HR View Only Portal. With the HR View Only portal, you will have access to invoices, census data, and the ability to search for employees and dependents. Once logged in, to view your invoices, click the My eBills link at the top right-hand corner of your screen. This will bring you to the View Bills screen, where you will have access to view all your invoices electronically. When the page finishes loading, your most recent invoice will appear. To view this invoice, click the View Bill link. To view previous invoices, click the View All Bills link located to the left of your most recent bill. When you choose this option, a window will appear with all of your invoices for viewing. Once you have found the invoice you would like to review, click the View Bill link. In addition to being able to view these bills electronically, each month you will also receive an invoice in the mail for your records. Census reports are run daily for your employer group, so you have access to the most up-to-date census information. These census reports can be printed out or electronically saved. These reports can also be exported to Excel for filtering and easy sorting. To view your most recent member census, hover over the Resources tab located towards the top of your screen and click the View Images link. This will bring you to the Census List page, where you will have access to all the census reports run to date. To access your reports, click the blue image link of the census you would like to view. You will also have the ability to view employee and dependent data. To view employee or dependent info, click the Members tab towards the top of your screen. This will bring you to the Members search page. Here, click the Search Options drop-down and choose which type of member you would like to view. Then, type either the last name or patient ID number and click Search. This will bring you to the Members Search Results page. Click the requested member name link, which will bring you to the member's information. To get back to the previous screen, click the Back button on the bottom of the page. Need help adding a new employee or dependent? Or need to change a member's information? Check out our other how-to videos for help.